Actually, he is a very simple person. So whatever I cook for him, he will always say, perfect.
I don't really know how to cook, but for my father, usually asam pedas ikan lah.
The things I only know how to cook is the fried rice, and this also reminds me my dad also cook fried rice frequently with me lah.
I once remember he said that adik kalau nak cari perempuan, cari yang perempuan yang lagi sayang adik daripada adik sayang dia.
Whatever you do, just do. I'll be behind you. I'll take care of you.
There's no one way of doing things, and we are all special in our own way, and we should focus on how we do that and do that well.
Walaupun orang buat jahat dekat kita, kita still kena buat baik dekat orang.
Be kind to everyone. No matter what people say to you, no matter how hard it is to you, be kind.
My dad has one arm. He lost it when he was 22 years old. After that scenario in his life, he always will remind us and say that if I can do it, you all can do it too.
其实我爸爸是一个很 caring、心地善良的人，他就是无怨无悔的付出。其实不只是妈妈是一个无怨无悔付出的人，他也是一个很无怨无悔付出的一个人，一个角色在这个家庭当中。所以很像，比如是说我需要他帮忙的时候，或者是我有什么很像是说想分享啊，或者是不开心的时候，他都是第一个会站在我身旁，就是听我分享的人。
I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. So there's one time that my dad tell me that he's going to run some errands at the town. When he came back, he bought me a DVD of Harry Potter, newly released, and also going to the bookstore with him.
Previously, my school time, I was at my grandmom's house. So every weekend, my mom and dad will come to my grandmom's house. Then that 2 days will be very best memories for me. Whatever you ask, wherever you want to go, he will bring you lah.
There's one time we go swimming at Gunung Ledang, and I once drowned in the swimming pool, and he actually pulls me up and saved me.
It's my graduation. He enrolled me for the different field, but I graduated in a different field. He was disappointed. But when my graduation day, he carried me and he cried. I graduated.
You know, the time that my dad tore his pants in his kangkang when he tried to jump over the drain to save me from dropping into the drain on my bicycle. From the time that he helped me climb over the school gate because they didn't let me leave school, but I wanted to leave school. My dad was a very present dad, and he was there all the time.
That day, I nak pergi interview dekat satu tempat yang jauh lah. Padahal I boleh drive sendiri, tapi dia sanggup hantar and tunggu I for more than 3 hours untuk interview tu je. That is the most thing that I sangat ingat sampai bila-bila lah.
When I was 3 or 4 years old, playing ball with him lah in our ruang tamu. Yeah, still got the recording.
Thank you so much for all your sacrifice, and I love you, and I hope that one day if kita jumpa lagi, I dapat hug you and you boleh cakap yang you proud dengan I.
I do miss him and I love him a lot. Just to thank him for everything that he's done and for loving me the way that he did. And yeah, he made me into who I am today. Everything good that I am, I learned it from him.
Thank you for being here with me, even though it's not. But yeah, he's done a lot of things to me.
Kakak sayang ayah, kakak harap one day ayah dapat tengok kakak kahwin. Kakak harap ayah bangga dengan kakak sekarang.
I will thank you for what he's did and all his contribution and sacrifice.
Apa, let's go for beer?
No worries, I will find someone and get married very soon. So no worries.
Abah, thank you for always be there for me, and happy Father's Day. I love you.
其实每一天都是最好的时光，只要他在就是我身边的话。
Abah, thank you for all the things you have done. Selamat Hari Bapa, and now let me be the father.
I will want my dad to know that as much as he's proud of us, we are also proud of him, and we love him very much.
Daddy, you are amazing. I love you so much, and I'm definitely going to give him a kiss. Now I really wish he's here.